What's good, guys? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to check your payment and billing options on your Xbox. This should also show you how to change, add, or remove anything like that as well. So what you want to do is you want to go to account, you want to come over to payment and billing. Once you click that and get in here, it's going to show you these options, and it's going to show you all the different payment options that you have. And right here, you click this, it's going to show you last month, and it's going to show you an option where you can choose the last 3 months for how many different things you've ordered. It'll show all those there. If you want to add a payment, you just simply click here. And once you click here, you can choose to do a credit/debit card, PayPal, or mobile phone. If you want to remove a payment option, whether it be a credit card, debit card, anything like that, you just simply go over to it, hit remove, and once you click remove, it's going to ask you to confirm that you want to remove it, and that's how you do that. And listed at the end, after all the different payment options you might have, it'll show you your Microsoft account balance. So this will let you know exactly how much you have, so you don't have to be guessing and thinking, oh, I bought this amount, I should have this amount left. This will tell you the exact amount that's left. If this video helped you out, please slam the like button, subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.